The Smith machine upright row targets the lateral deltoids on the side of the shoulders and trapezius muscles for overall upper body strength and aesthetics. If available, I usually recommend performing this movement with a free weight Olympic barbell due to the natural movement pattern, thus reducing the risk of shoulder impingement. However, if you only have access to a Smith machine, using a wider grip reduces the risk of shoulder impingement. To get started, set the Smith machine bar to the appropriate height, typically around mid-thigh level. Stand facing the bar with your feet shoulder width apart. Grasp the bar with an overhand, palms facing down, wider than shoulder width grip. A wider grip can help reduce the internal rotation of the shoulders, further decreasing the risk of shoulder impingement. To unrack the bar, lift and twist the bar to unlock the safety hooks, then stand up straight with your arms extended, holding the bar in front of your thighs. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged. Exhale, then begin lifting the bar by leading with your elbows, keeping the bar close to your body as you lift it up to reach below your collarbone. Pause for a moment at the top of the movement, inhale, then slowly lower the bar back down to the starting position, keeping it close to your body. Control the movement to avoid any sudden drops or jerks. Make sure your elbows stay above your wrists throughout the lift and ensure your wrists are straight to avoid strain. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.